Hello, this is Carmen. I want to talk to you a little bit about your upcoming cruise here with the Featherweight Shop. You may be wondering, I'm wearing a sweater. Well, it was snowing today here in Idaho, but I am looking forward to our next cruise where the sweaters will stay home. Cruising is a lot of fun, and if you've never done it before, you're in for a real treat. Getting onto the ship and that whole process can seem a little bit daunting if you haven't done it before, but it's really pretty easy and it's actually a lot of fun. But I want to walk you through the steps of checking in to our celebrity cruise. We are now within 90 days of our upcoming cruise to Hawaii. And so at the 90-day mark, you can actually check in and get whatever paperwork that needs done. You can get it filled out ahead of time. You actually need to do this. So I'm going to walk you through step by step, showing you each screen so that you can get this all done ahead of time, and it will make that the day that we set sail, it'll make it super smooth for you. There are a couple things you're going to need in order to do this. You're going to need your passport and at least the passport number and the expiration date. And then you're going to need your reservation number from Celebrity. Now this should have been already emailed to you from the Featherweight Shop. And so you're going to need that number and your passport, and that's about it, and we'll walk you through the steps. So Celebrity's website is just celebritycruises.com. celebritycruises.com. The first thing you're going to do is click on sign in. Now, if you haven't created a Celebrity account yet on their website, you'll want to do that first. And so you'll click on the create an account. And then each time you'll go back, you'll just have to click on sign in. So I've already done this for myself, but I'm actually going to do this for April now. I have all of her information, so I'm going to do this for April, and then we will just walk through the steps as if she is checking in. So the first thing you're going to do once you've created that account is to sign in. And once you sign in, if it's your first time signing in and you have not linked whatever cruise it is you're going on, in this case it'll be the Hawaii cruise, you're going to click on that link for link a missing cruise, and when you click on that, that's where you'll put your name and that cruise number, the reservation number, and then just like it's showing now on my phone, it'll pop up this screen showing the upcoming cruise. Tells you how many days before we go on it, etc. Once you get to that point, you're going to click on either the edit check-in or the check-in button. I've already started this one, and that's probably why it says edit check-in, because I've already begun the process. But you're going to click on edit check-in or check-in. I'm already checked in, so I'm going to click on April's name there. I'm just going to put a little check mark next to April because she's linked on the same reservation as me, and then click continue. So if you happen to be going with a roommate that maybe you've signed up through Facebook or whatever, you're only going to be doing this for yourself. But if it's husband and wife going or whatever, you could do this all together at the same time. And then you're going to fill out guest information. So April's information is already in there because we've sailed with Celebrity before, so her information is already in there. You are going to have to put in, it doesn't seem to store your home address for whatever reason, so you're going to put that in there. So I will put in her address now. And then you're going to scroll down to where it says travel documents, and you're going to put whatever country you were born in, the country of citizenship, and then it's going to ask for document type. And there is where you're going to, it automatically pulls up naturalization certificate, but you're going to click on that and scroll up until you see passport, and click on passport, and then you're going to need to put your passport expiration date and the passport number. Okay, I've got April's passport number and expiration date listed. Now, so the next thing you're going to do is it's going to ask for a security photo. And the reason they ask for that is each time you get on and off the ship, you're going to have a card that you'll swipe, and it will bring up for their security, it'll bring up your photo. It keeps only those that are supposed to be on the ship on the ship. So they need your photo, and so you'll scroll down to this next section here and click Add Photo. Now once you click Add Photo, and then it's going to ask you to upload a photo. So click on Upload Photo, and it's going to give you the option of either going, on my phone anyway, it gives you the option of going to the camera and just right then taking a photo. It just needs to be taken in front of a blank light colored wall, just a headshot. April already, she texted me her photo, so I've already got it stored here on my phone, and so I'm just going to add that and then click Save Photo. And if you don't like it, you can choose a different photo and try over again. And then it says you click the two boxes here that you consent to using that, so that you can get basically on and off the ship. The next thing you're going to do is scroll down to contact information. You need to put an email address in there. That's your email address. And then put a phone number in there as well. And that should be your phone number in this instance. And then scroll down to emergency contact, and that will be whoever you choose as an emergency contact and their phone number. And once you've done that, click continue, and it saves it. And now it brings up this next screen saying onboard expense account. One of the great things about being on a cruise ship is that basically you're not packing your wallet around. So there's nothing to lose there. There's no interaction of cash or anything like that. So you set this up ahead of time where you put your credit card associated to your account, and then once you get on the ship, you can put your wallet in the safe that's in your room, and you never need your credit card or anything again. You're just going to have the one little, it's called a C-Pass. It looks like a little credit card, but it's going to be specific to you. And if you want to buy anything on the ship or whatever, it's just going to automatically get charged to your account. And it's really a pretty simple system, and it's really convenient. And then it's going to bring up a screen where it asks you basically to click the box that you understand and accept the terms of the ticket. Once you've done that, you click Complete Check-in. It's going to ask you what time you want to check in to the ship. I've already clicked that earliest one for me, which was at 12:30 in the afternoon. And then I'll click Complete Check-in. And now April is checked in. She's ready to go. At this point in time, she can click on View Express Pass. And this is the pass that you're going to need to actually get onto the ship. Now I prefer as a backup to also print this as well. So I keep a printed copy in my carry-on luggage in case my phone was dead or anything like that, or I lost my phone. You'd be able to have that printed hard copy to check in. But this is all you need, is this express pass. They'll be waiting for you when you get to the ship, and they will take you through security and scan your pass, and then you are on to the cruise ship. And when we get within, I believe it's within 30 days of sailing, you'll be able to click on that link there where it says View Luggage Tags. And then you can either print your luggage tags, or you can actually click, I think it's with 11 days left, at least 11 days left, you can actually order luggage tags and they'll send them to you. And the luggage tag basically has a picture of the ship on it with a little drawing as to what part of the ship your room is located, and it'll have the room number. So when you get to the cruise port, at that point in time is when I put my luggage tags on my luggage. I don't, if we're flying or whatever, I wait so that they don't get wrinkled or lost or anything. I wait till I get to the cruise ship, like when we're leaving the hotel that morning, and I put those luggage tags on there. And then when you get there and you drop off your luggage, you're going to take your carry-on luggage with you onto the ship, and you can take it directly to your room, get settled in a little bit. But your main heavy luggage, just like if you were checking into an airline, you leave your luggage with them. It's got your room number and such on there, and then they'll deliver it to your room. So we're a couple months from setting sail, but be watching for future correspondence from the Featherweight Shop. You'll be getting information on the class and any of those types of details coming up as well. A cruise is a lot of fun. We enjoy them each time, but sometimes it's the little things that bring us the greatest joy. And so I'm going to leave you with a couple photos of what I enjoy about a celebrity cruise ship. This first one I'm going to show you is part of my daily routine. Included in this cruise package is the classic beverage package, which means that specialty drinks and things like coffee, for me a latte every morning, is in order, and that's included. It's included in that drink package. But there's a coffee shop, I believe it's on deck 5 on this ship that we're going on, that just makes wonderful lattes. But they've also got these little lemon tarts. Now they've got a bunch of other desserts and pastries and things there, but I rarely ever stray away from these lemon tarts because they're wonderful. And the good news is nobody's keeping track of how many I have on each cruise. And then for April, she loves gourmet tea, so often in the morning she's there getting one of these little fancy teas. And we have coffee and tea in the morning, and of course a lemon tart. Well, we hope you're looking forward to this as much as we are. If you happen to be watching this because you're curious about a cruise with a Featherweight Shop, there's lots of information on our website, as well as you're always welcome to call here and ask any of those questions as well. We have a lot of fun, and we're looking forward to seeing you on the next cruise.